Hi guys, welcome to Fapkin. My name is Jaya, and how y'all doing today? Cause I'm doing great. Today I'm back with a video regarding how to make some extra bucks all from the comfort of your home. And especially during this pandemic, I think most of us are looking to make some extra money because we can't get out of our houses and expenses don't stop, right? So I do want to let you guys know that all these tips that I've posted in this video have been suggested to me by parents who work from home or new moms who can't go to work, and some people that I'm suggesting in this video, I have personally tested their products or have met them and spoken to them regarding how it's working out for them. So let's get started. First income tip that I would like to talk about is regarding man's basic necessity, food. Because some of us eat to live, and I'm a part of the group that lives to eat. And if you guys are the magical chefs in your home, then you can make good amounts of money out of it. Because here in Toronto, I know people who charge over $120 to $140 a week to cook 3 meals a day for an individual, and that's good money. And if you don't want to go through the cooking hassle every day and are very good at baking, then birthdays, weddings, get-togethers are happening all the time, and who doesn't love some cake, right? So there is one person who is my go-to person for any baked goods here in Canada, especially in Ontario. Her name is Kim, and her webpage is called Kimmy Cakes. I've put a link below to her Facebook page so you guys can order from her. She's from Ajax, Ontario, and she makes amazing cakes, cupcakes, cookies, lemon loaves, blueberry loaves, name it, and she can make it. And if you are watching this video from Bangalore, India, there is one person whose food I've been eating from childhood, and no restaurant, no country, no city that I've been to has been able to match up to her amazing food. I have put a link below to her page too. It's called Bean's Kitchen, and you guys have to try it if you're in Bangalore, because your tummy will be 100% satisfied. I have tested it for over 20 years. I can bet on it. The second tip that I would like to share with you guys is freelancing, because some of us are very good with our words, and words just flow through us with ease. And if you are that person, freelancing is for you. Because people these days either don't have the time or don't have the skill set to produce a good piece of literature, and that, my friends, is your advantage. Because do you remember as a student you wished you had someone to write you an amazing piece of essay so that you can get your grades up, or there's that dream job that you really want and you wish you had someone to write you a very good resume and cover letter to land you that interview opportunity, right? You can be that person and help several people out there and make a living out of it, all from the comfort of your home, sitting on your couch, relaxing with your cup of coffee and doing what you do best. And some websites that you can start off with or look into are iWriter, Upwork, Blogging Pro, and I've also put a link below in the description box to some websites you can start off with. Let's start earning. The third income tip that I would like to share with you guys is proofreading. Do you have a good eye to spot grammatical errors and are efficient at correcting them? Because some websites like Scribber and Prompt pay an average of $15 to $20 an hour to their editors, and that, my friends, is quick, easy money, and it is a higher average hourly pay than most people make with their regular full-time jobs. So if you guys feel proofreading is for you and would like to start off with it, I've put a link below in the description box to some websites that you can look look into to help you get started. And all this you can do from the comfort of your home, and you can be the boss of your money because you can set the dates and the times that you are free and are willing to do the work. I mean, what else could you ask for a job, right? The fourth income tip that I would like to share with you guys is you guys can try creating some online learning courses and post them on famous learning platforms. Some of us are really good at different subjects, like some of us are good at literature, some of us are good at a particular field of study, or we have great coding knowledge, or we have good knowledge about a particular job. And all you guys have to do is spend a few hours or a few days to compile all the information that you know into videos and post them on websites like lynda.com, Skillshare, or Udemy, and sit back, enjoy the passive income for a really long time, because every time someone downloads your course, you get paid. I've also put a link below in the description box to a few websites that you guys can look into to start off with. All the best, guys. The fifth income tip that I would like to share with you guys is surveys. Yes, you heard me, surveys. Did you know that some websites pay you to share your opinions? I mean, how cool is that? Some trusted websites like Swagbucks, OnePoll, brandedsurveys.com, etc. They pay you every few hundred points that you collect by completing surveys, and these websites have been approved by the general public. I mean, how cool is getting paid to share your opinions, right? I have put a link below in my description box to a few websites that pay you in different forms. Like some of them directly pay you with money, some of them pay you with gift cards or PayPal and stuff like that. So do have a look, and you never know, this might just be the thing that you're looking for. The sixth income tip that I would like to share with you guys is called peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending means lending your additional money to other people or businesses. This process does not involve a financial institution, so the interest rates are higher and yield a higher rate of income. So if you guys have some additional money laying around in your bank accounts and have no immediate use for them, you might want to consider this particular option. Some established famous lending platforms are Upstart, Lending Club, Pureform, and I've also put a link below in my description box to 5 famous lending platforms that are already established with their pros and cons and requirements. So please go to them before you consider this option, and this is just a suggestion based on information that I've collected from people that I know or have met. And if you guys are considering this option, please don't consider this as professional advice. Please do your research before going forward, and all the best. The seventh tip that I would like to share with you guys is called affiliate marketing. This is the process by which you promote another person's product or another company's product and earn a commission every time you make a sale. This is a very good option for bloggers, social media influencers, and people with a long list of contacts or a very good social circle. All you guys have to do is find a product that you feel and are confident about its performance in the market and promote it to as many people as you like and earn a commission every time there's a sale. Some famous commission platforms are Share a Sale, Commission Factory, Reward Style, and there is one name that we all are aware of is Amazon. So if you guys are considering this as an income option and are going to try it or have tried it, do let me know in the comment section below how it's working for you. The eighth and final tip that I would like to share with you is bring out those hidden talents, you guys. Some of you might be good at painting, maybe photography, creating music, making videos, editing videos, or creating unique decor stuff, and you can make an income out of all these things. Some websites like Shutterstock, Etsy, and Storyblocks pay you every time someone downloads your photos, videos, or music. I personally use Shutterstock to upload my photos to, and they pay me every time someone downloads my photos. And I also use Storyblocks to download music from for my videos. So if you guys are considering this as an income option, maybe you would like to start off with these 3 websites, just to give you a clue about how it works. And I'm also going to put a link below to the page of someone who I know makes paintings and sells them online. And I'm also going to put an Instagram page link below in the description to a person called Tasha, who does innovative, unique decor stuff for birthday parties. And finally, I'm going to put an email ID below for someone I know who does amazing video editing work. So if you guys found this video useful and helpful for you, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for future video notifications. Sending a lot of love and positive energy towards you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.